So what are we working on today? Brand new Lexus IS 350 F Sport. We're doing a partial front and clear bra. And I'm about to stick half of the bumper because it's a split pattern, which means multiple pieces to achieve the best coverage possible. So we're gonna start on the driver's side. I'm gonna get the pattern lifted and sprayed, so when I'm ready, I can just pick it up and take it to the car. And then I will prep the rest of the car. Majority of that's already been done. It's been washed, decontaminated, clay barred, and then brought back in here and re-wiped down one panel at a time as we roll through the install. This is the last squeegee step or prep step. Basically any dust that's landed on the vehicle since we prepped it, we want to capture and remove. So what I'm going to do is we spray our tack solution, alcohol and water mixture, catch everything on the paint, and then squeegee it off, and then I can spray my slip solution and begin to install the piece. We'll move to slip solution. We use a gel and soap mixture. This will allow me to position the film where it needs to go, get it stretched into place before it's locked down. So now we'll just start to position it where it needs to go, squeegee the slip solution out from behind the film, and it'll start to adhere to the paint. You get to see the progress as you go. Kind of stretch the cut up oval because there's stretch designed to be there. So I'll make my pull to the end here in just a second. So this edge will wrap once I get it dry. Heat seal everything, get it wiped down and clean, and that's about it for this piece. And then we'll move on to the next. Edges are heat sealed, everything's tucked. We'll double check it in the morning, and that's about it for this piece. So what we're gonna do is just continue to repeat the process one piece at a time until the entire project is finished. Boom, okay. Just gonna start rolling that roll of film back and forwards as it cuts each individual piece.
Apparently you can't peel light matte stickers.
Can't?
Can. They're just very incredibly glossy.
This is what matches.
Alright, so that's it for the Lexus today. We're just going to continue repeating the process till it's finished. If you like what you see, please subscribe. We appreciate that a lot. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. We'll get back to you and try and answer as effectively as we can. Also, we do have our own rinseless car wash, spray detailer, and a do-it-yourself ceramic coating. We'll drop the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed. If you're in town, local to San Antonio, feel free to visit and come check it out in person. Thanks.